Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be building a simple QR code generator using Python. Whether you want to link your website, your YouTube channel, or just share some text, this tool will let you generate a scannable QR code image in seconds. So not wasting any more time, let's get started. First things first, we need to install two Python libraries, one called qrcode and the other called pillow. So in our terminal, we're going to type pip install qrcode and press enter. This is what we're going to use to actually generate the QR code. Once that's done installing, type pip install pillow and hit enter. This is what we're going to be using to save our image. Once that's done, let's begin building our program. We'll begin by importing the QR code library. So in Python, we're going to say import QR code. Next, we're going to create a variable called data, and we're going to set this variable to input and then prompt the user to enter the text or the URL they want to convert into a QR code. Next, we're going to create a QR code object. This is what we will customize with our settings like the version, size, and border. We're going to create a variable and we're going to call it QR, and we're going to set it to qrcode.qrcode. And in this, we're going to have version and we're going to set it to 1. This controls the size of our QR code. Next, we're going to say box size equals 10, and this will set the size of each box on the grid. Then we're going to say border equals 5, and this will be how thick the white border around the QR code is. Then we're going to close this. Next, we're going to say qr.addData, and in these parentheses, we're going to have data. What this does, it collects information that the user entered, whether that be a link, a piece of text from that variable data we created earlier. Then we're going to say qrcode.make, in these parentheses, we're going to have fit equals true. What this line does, it makes sure that the QR code scales properly to fit the data. Now we're going to create the image to save it. So we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it image, and we're going to set it to QR code, make image, and we're going to set it to fill color black and the background color white. The fill color is the black bars, for a lack of a better word, of these, but you can set the color to whatever you like. And then the white is of course the background. Next, we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it file name, and we're going to set it to myqrcode.png. This will be the name of our output. Then we're going to say image.save, and in these parentheses, file name, which is the variable we created and it contains the name of our output file that we want. Then we're going to tell the user if the QR code was created successfully. If it was, we print QR code successfully saved and we call the file name variable. And just like that, you have a QR code builder in Python. Now let's go ahead and run the program. Now it's asking us to enter the URL or text we want to convert. So I'm just going to paste the link to my YouTube channel and then click enter. Now when I go to the folder where my Python file is saved, I'll find the output and it's saved as my QR code. And when I open it, you'll see it's created it for us. Now you can go ahead and scan it and it will actually work. The QR code is created and saved in your project folder as my qrcode.png. And that's it. You have just built your very own QR code generator using Python. It's simple, quick, and honestly pretty cool for small projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and drop a like and consider subscribing. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to help out. Until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.